Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection. The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Welcome to Midday Connection. Welcome to Indoda Ikhali. If you've just joined us, it is a Tuesday, and so Ndaba Miyeza, who's a mental health practitioner and a cultural historian, joins us sizotikita indaba that are concerning amadoda and making sure that we can build and foster a healthy community esiphila kuyona. And so joining us namhlanje yena nguNdabeke Miyeza. Sikubingelele baba, uyaphila kodwa?
Ngibingelele abalele beGagasi, ngibingelele Nyambose no Great Sonic, the Great Sonic.
Yes sir, the Great Sonic indeed.
Thank you.
We are talking about the wounds men carry namhlanje, especially amadoda that have been raised by caretakers. Hlamba sichaze lento yokurayiswa by caretaker. What do we mean by it?
Sikhuluma lana ngeinsizwa eyikhuliswe uma yedwa. Eyikhuliswe umalume nonkosikazi wakhe auntie. Umuntu okhuliswe kamakhelwane ngoba walahlwa. He was either abandoned or neglected. Umuntu owakhuliswa abantu that are far distant from him because kwangasekho umuntu prepared ukumthatha after eseshiwa abantu abamzalayo, what we call the biological parents.
Le separation ngesikhuluma ngayo Ndabe imlimaza kanjani umntwana umfana kwi-identity and the discovery of self?
There are two issues here as far as wabheke Nyambos. Esemncane, what did he suffer? Angitho ilo wayewashiswa izitsha ekhaya. Ingane kaantu wakhe zikhona, wayeshawa humiliate ngamaphutha enziwe laba abanye. And he was not given love, affection and intrinsic value of love ekhula. Ngoba they kept on reminding him ukuthi walahlwa abazali bakhe and bamenzela ufefe bacela ukuthi ayiphathe kahle.
Yeah. So bamenzela
ifavor kahle hle ya. Uma ku antu wakhe athi nje ukuthi usisi nje wayenzani ebulawa ingculazi ngabe nje ngiphila kahle kabi kuba. Yeah. Uthola ukuthi immediately i-prefrontal cortex yakhe, which is responsible for decision making and intelligence, is greatly affected. Akhule first into akhula nawo lapho uNyambose ukhula ne thinking that nobody wants me, I'm not good enough, and I'm not worthy of life. Also experience at the age of 17 social withdrawal. And uzoba scared of associating with other men because akanayo masculine value kuyena transfer ubaba wakhe kuyena.
Yeah.
And uzokhula with a very severe low self-esteem and emotional impairment. Now, asimthatha kanyambosa manje sesimusa, enye into you might find that he's suffering mother wound.
Alike olet
or a father wound akekho baba. Konke izocela siyicorrect la. Uyakhumbula Sonika abantu besasitshela amahe into engekho ukuthi akusho ukuthi ingane ngoba ikhuliswa umuntu ngeke ibe right in life. Yeah, ziba right, zaziba right, but ziba ne emotional impairment ongakazi uzuyibona.
Limele kakhulu.
Limele lezo insizwa lezo. They struggle with the relationships into ongakazi uzuyibona. Ile nsizwa wena mkhayana ekivene ilando usisone ngane ezu4 amanye amadoda ifuna ukumshada. Because ngaphakathi kena what is burning is to reconstitute and create a family that he never had.
Ujahe feeling.
No, ufuna imndeni angithi wakhula surrogate lapha ka aunt wakhe. So by creating this family in his mind, he's creating something where he's going to be validated, where he's going to be given an attention, when he's going to be made a man. He's trying to find a man that is not inside of him. And 99% of the time they fail dismally.
Feeling.
Yeah. Number two, these guys tend to overlove. They give women things that they do not want. Ukuze wesoninki nawe mkhana khunye abantu bethi they are the chosen ones.
Yeah.
Lo hlobo lwabantu ngithi mina they are chosen ones. I'll tell you why I say that.
Why?
They are chosen ones because batargetwa ilabantu besifazana abontawo. Nali iqanje la mount nginqake.
Lahlele.
Ebese abuser financially, emotionally and anyhow. Ngoba kana ma boundaries ubhuti wami is a people pleaser. Ngoba ubelieve ukuthi if a please abantu besifazana is going to get love and attention.
This type of suffering, does it only happen when the biological parent is not around?
Ithi caretaker, or caretaker ugogo okhuliswa yena uanti okhuliswa yena
Aunt ocleanayo, by the way.
uanti ocleanayo okhuliswa ya bonke Mr Sibahlanga sabantu abakukhulisile as a result of the absence of your parents
Yeah.
sibabiza ngama caretaker yabo cabanga makuthiwa intombazane lapho shuthi wakhula wathatha umfundisi wendawo unfortunately umfundisi wafika ukumolesta lapha ngaphakathi right in the midst of his wife and uzokhumbula ukuthi uzokhula naleyonto uma usumdala ubuso experience sexual withdrawal nokungathembi lutho oluyindoda elifaka ibhloko
Cabanga nje uyintombazane, having your first period, you're sharing that moment with a stranger.
with a stranger and you're only 18
Wow.
for that matter. By the grace of God ufunda uzofika university, guess what, uzofika ube social worker. That's the profession you're going to choose because you are trying to put back what you think has collapsed inside of you.
Yes.
This is what happens when Nyambosi kule ngane uyazi ikhula inomzimba omncane hard work street ingabingeli kwamuntu imingeni university ifika ikhuhle degree phume ngalena 3 years later use uanti
Yeah.
akasibheka ukuthi what has happened to the body. By the way, that is not his genetical body.
Okay.
But what his nervous system has done, it has given him a body that he needed for protection.
Naturally.
Yes. Nature is playing its role here. It's giving her a body that seeks protection, that seeks motherhood. Avena be uma ngaleso sikhathi uneminyaka emingaka ubaby uno 28.
Yes.
Immediately afuna ibond athenga umuzi but ibheka abantu abahlala lapha uzothola ihlala abantu aba11 abapick up all over. Abantu besilisa benza njalo na they try to recreate izinto engekho. Now here is something. Ukubone umjida eSonic uthola ukuthi kwakhe hlele kugcwele nje egcekeni. Yeah, angithi he craves for the family.
Yeah.
So he'll collect people without even checking their characters in order to recreate a family that he never had. But they struggle, like I spoke about the struggle, they struggle with sexual communication. They can't be vulnerable. They fear intimacy. Banenhliziyo ezibukhuni labantu bavamisa ukuba stingy or babe reckless with money. At the end of the day, it's either they'll use substance or they'll switch to alcohol if it becomes difficult to survive or to succeed.
Coping mechanism.
That's a coping mechanism, yeah.
Indoda Ikali on the Mayday Connection.
We are within Indoda Ikali and sidinga udaba olujulile ngendlela eyisimangaliso. The wounds men carry, especially laba abakhuliswe ama caretakers. Sesiyaphila ke nalabantu ndaba emiyeza years later, whether it's friendship, relationships. Mhlawumbe what are some of the signs that we can see ukuthi a love ethu usafarisha obviously from not getting that proper backing and ube umnakekelwa ama caretakers?
Well, angithi ushadile.
Yeah.
But uma wakhe yena confident yakhe. So uma wakhe is an emotional confident yakhe. Uma wakhe umconvert into an emotional caretaker. Akakwazi ukuconfide kunkosikazi wakhe because vulnerability was sacrificed ngesikhathi abuse lapha kaMalume. Number 2, they tend to quickly get married in life in order to recreate a family they never had. Number 3, hey, this is a very sad one. They tend to struggle sexually with their partners. They use anger because are connected from a normal space. Mefuna into ifuna ngendluzula. They don't have the language to communicate their needs. And ile gengo othola ukuthi ithi mina angazi na wakhuliswa kanjani. Isho kunkosikazi wayo. Kusho ubhuto imess abuza omunye athi angazi wakhuliswa kanjani. Look at the unhealed trying to nurture the healed.
Gaslighting.
And gaslighting him. Nokuthala njalo embuza ukuthi wena kodwa ukhombisa ukuthi uyangithanda. Ingane zami ngayo yonke indlela yokukhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda kodwa kungabi good enough. Azayibhonye ngoba ifeeling yakhe le akuthi ingane he has a problem. Yabona methi umuntu osisa umuntu osifazane na ubukwenze njengabanye abantu osifazane nje masiye enjabulweni. Ufunani? He has carried these pornographic images and ucabanga ukuthi lengane yabantu nayizo turn into a porn star, which it doesn't work. Konke lokho umubheka udamage ukephi udabuka lapha endlela ebhlungu kakhulu ngayo when he was unworthy, and that's how he felt, a feeling of being unworthy.
This sounds like a person that's never satisfied.
Ngeke abe satisfied because part of his life was lived under criticism, judgment, belittling and undermining.
I'm with this person right now. What would you say to me, Ndabe?
Senshadile. Hey, that requires intensive counseling, man. And Uputi kufale abe very honest about who he is, what happened in him, how did umakhe nebaba wakhe separate, how was he abandoned, kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi akhuliswe kamfundisi wasesontweni lakhe. He must get his story. Once he gets the story, a seasoned, well-schooled therapist will walk with him through that and measure the pain that he's experiencing. So it is some pointers where everything comes from.
And some people strongly believe ukuthi kuyabekezelwa. Mhlawumbe kusajolwa lapho, mhlawumbe kusabangani lapho. Sithini ke kuloyo muntu?
So nekhona into engizoyisho today, ayikho into echitha isikhathi njengomjolo. Umjolo ukufundisa ukuba imaid engakhokhelwa. You have to engage in sexual relationships. Awazi ukuthi ngeke benefit from it. Kufanele unikeze compassion and passion and attention umuntu vele nizohlukana. Khona into engeke ngisho Sonic. Wake wajola nentombazane wena Sonic ukuthi after 3 days ubona talent izophela.
Yes.
Every man will tell you the truth.
Yes.
Sonke sibuya khona. Uqhubekelana.
Angazi kodwa khona ispace engahlala u2 years. Khona ispace engahlala u6 years. Khona ispace engaphelanga ngisho inyanga.
Nazo ke mkhayana. That's an attachment disorder obuya nayo kwi childhood. Siyawahlalela ke lama relationship angathi should make no mistake. Nami I'm one of those. Mina I was always chasing validation. Uthola ukuthi ngithandana ne Lacoste kodwa manje ayikho into engizoyenza ngoba I Lacoste yami ngiyithanda yabo.
Ingwenya.
Uqaqobo lwawo.
And how do you begin to deal there with umuntu ke uhlala naye? And of course you spoke about intensive counseling.
Yes.
How do you begin to allow I relationship yenu ukuthi umnikeze indawo yakhe umbuke as umuntu osadinga usizo than rather nigcine nixabaniswa iyona le past afike nayo la kwe relationship?
One of the very strange thing engiyibona suggest ama couple athi omunye hamba ufuna usizo nami ngizohamba ngifuna usizo. That doesn't work.
Why don't you go together?
Yeah, go together and seek help so that you each individual will share the story. Aphume nalo asala aphume ashe story sakhe bese yanibiza ke counselor isizonikeza I-analysis of the story that you have shared, then bese yantshela ukuthi these are areas that you need to work on, ebese niprovide ngama tools. Nayo kenye into ama client amaningi mefika awawacela ama tools kubantu abacancelayo. Mina I insist kuma client ami ukuthi they must get tools that will kickstart. So nikhona abantu okubukhulu kuba cancel ubona nje laba behamba akuyoshuba. This is the question I normally ask my couples. Ngithi mina ngicela ukubuza njengoba niphuma leza Saturday. Niyapi niyokwenzani? Kubone bebhekana bangakhuluma. Ebesethi
sayoliwa lapho.
Yeah, ngithi ndasawudla bese kuna principle number 1 eyameke therapy discusswa ke uma seniqale therapy no discuss amanbuya. Number 2, if ingekho into ezodinga ukuthi nikhulume, please shut up.
How?
Yes. Akebezwe ubuhlungu bokungakhulumisani besendlini. But wait, Sonic, they must live amicably.
Okay.
Good morning, how are you? I would like to eat porridge today. Darling.
Okay.
Yes.
Should just communicate.
Use non-verbal communication.
Non-verbal.
Yeah. Nilinde next week Saturday.
Manje umucela into encane.
Ungase kususa inkulumo lokho.
Hawu kanjani Ndabe?
Kungase kususa inkulumo. That's why ngithi mina I asked for fasting up until the second therapy day. Bese ngiyabuza ukuthi how was it to stay for 2 weeks ingekho? Uzindoda ithi baba ngiyamkhumbula mina bengazi ngimthanda kangaka unombulelo.
Umeloyalo bengahamba ajikele emva kwethu.
Yeah. So that then begins to kickstart a new approach in communication, of which abantu besilisa bakholiswe omakheteka. That's one of their biggest downfall. They do not know how to communicate their needs kubantu besifazana abathandana nabo. Instead, they are very neurotic majority of. And that neurosis comes from their childhood, where their needs were neglected by their caregivers.
I think we have a voice note coming through from Umlaleli.
Sonic babu Ndabe.
Yebo.
Khaya ngisacela ukubuza la nathi sike saba nomntwana kanjalo washonelwa abazali wakhuliswa like umalume nogogo, umalume which is me. Kuthi into kanye ngoba umntwana indlela ephethwe kahle ngayo ephethe ukudlulwa kahle lezi ezinye izingane khona zodadewethu nezabafowethu enzelwa yonke into like awashintshe nezikole uthi yamona usefuna ukufunda kwesinye isikole okay simvumele ngoba sazi ukuthi mhlambe masemncisha leyo uzobona mhlambe sibona abazali bakhe eza kahle esikoleni then washintsha wangafuna isikole nje wawuhlupho wagcina sesiyekile nesikole noma simncenga wasiyeka isikole ngicela ukubuza ukuthi mhlambe kuyenzeka yini mangabe mhlambe nimtotosa kakhulu kunako kugcina sekumshintsha lokho ningamtreat njengezinye izingane.
It has a contributing factor ngoba ningamsethelanga ama boundaries ningamfundisanga ama value and ningamfundisanga self discipline. Over parenting khehla iyalimazana, make no mistake. And that is one of the biggest problems that I normally fight with single parents amanje females who are over parenting ngoba ba protecting nganzabo bese be create ama monsters.
I think we do have another voice note, Jokten.
Yes, sir.
So this thing,
Steve Ogo.
It's another because I couldn't bring them to any home which I know now I'm not welcomed and stuff. Now my restrictions in sense and all that. Khuluma nje ingane nje ngaconnect nazo ngendlela because of leyo nto leyo and I'm not even making it an excuse. I'm just dealing with it ngendlela yami. Kodwa nje it broke me.
Steve, I've got a question for you, bro.
Healed kuyona leyo nto leyo or not. Kodwa nje everything is upside down. Sure, so
Steve broken.
No, affected to Steve. I wanted to find out who Steve uthi le ndlela yakhe is it working in?
I doubt.
No, I doubt namuthi if it's working, yeah. Steve ngajabula ngangifonele ke sixoxe because I just want to get to the source of everything here. There is a story behind Steve's story.
Sithola kanjani Dabe? You want to follow this conversation?
0766333954. Ake ngiphinde mlaleli weGagasi the sound of KZN. 0766333954. Next week, let's do it again, boys.
Gagasi FM.